What do you get when you cross the highly sought after Dripping Springs neighborhood with an under $400,000 price point in 2023's Builder of the Year? Probably something pretty cool. Let's go take a look and see. I am thrilled to be walking you through today the Wyatt Floorplan from Ashton Woods and its newest community, Cannon Ranch. We're actually some of the first people in here. You're still gonna see blue tape all over the walls, but I wanted to get you in because this is going to be a unique opportunity, and I think they have a really good thing going here because we're talking about prices starting under $400,000 in Dripping Springs from 2023's Builder of the Year here in Austin. And all of that's before I even mention that we're at a extremely low tax rate for the area, 1.68%. There's no PID, so you don't have additional taxation on top of that, no neighborhood improvement tax or anything to that effect. They're keeping the HOA really reasonable because they're not overloading this community with amenities because there are so many amenities close by in Dripping Springs. Dripping Springs already has so much to offer that for folks who don't need the community pool and don't need some of the over-the-top amenities that we see in some of the newer communities, this ends up being an absolute bargain in these smaller square footages. Their 40 and 45 foot product is what they're putting on the ground now, with 60-foot lots coming down the road. So what you end up with is all of the quality and luxury that you expect from a name like Ashton Woods, but in smaller packages at smaller price points. This is super, super cool. I'm interested to see what you think. Definitely like and comment, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this particular product. And then as we walk through, if you have questions, definitely comment. Let me know what they are. Always happy to help you walk through it. So now get ready because we are going to walk through the Wyatt Floorplan from Ashton Woods. But before we do, let me reintroduce myself to those of you who may be new to the channel or maybe you're coming back. I am JW Rader. I am passionate about a real estate experience that does not suck. And if there's something super important to you that you'd like to see me cover, by all means, comment, let me know below. I am so happy to connect and help you out on your journey. Guys, I wanted to stop to point out something that I thought was really cool about this floor plan and something we don't see as often here in this area. And that is that the primary suite is on the second floor of this home. So as you might have noticed, as we walked in, the home is a little bit more narrow through the hallway, but then you get into this area here, everything feels very expansive. This living room into the kitchen area feels really large. It's because they can dedicate more of the space on this main level to these areas because they don't have to put the primary suite here. So this is kind of a unique floor plan we don't see as much here in the Austin area, but can really work for some folks. Some it won't, but this is a unique calling card here that I think is important to point out. Let's take a look through the rest of the house. Y'all, another thing that I had to point out in this house, this is a 45-foot product. Again, you do not usually see this type of space, and it's because of the design layout they went with. Remember, the primary suite on the second level, and you just open up so much space here based on the way they've designed this plan to have this huge game room, this huge media room, and then still the primary suite absolutely massive. So you're really getting a ton of square footage into a much more compact lot size, meaning your value is high because the price point is much lower than you would be spending if you were on a larger 50 or even 60-foot lot. The square footage well outperforms the size on this one. Let's keep looking through. All right, friends, that was the Wyatt from Ashton Homes. Hope you learned a little bit about the builder. Hope you learned a little bit about the community and what's going on in the Austin real estate scene as a whole. As always, if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe so you never miss any of that Austin real estate content. And if you have a specific question about what's going on in your area or need me to fill in the gaps on what's going on in real estate in general, call, email, reach out however you like. Always happy to be a resource. Until next time.